Do you know that cleaning your ScanNCut mats is so important to keeping them sticky? Let me show you how. Start by taking a fragrance-free, alcohol-free baby wipe and rub over the entire sticky surface of the mat. This will remove the residue from the cutting material that you've been working with, and it will uncover the glue that is already on the mat once again. Now, to keep your mat in good condition, it's important to do this after every 5 to 6 times that you use your mat. Allow the mat to air dry for a few minutes and you'll feel the stickiness return. This process is what I refer to as light cleaning. Now, after light cleaning it this way over several months, the mat will lose some of its stickiness, but a spray adhesive can be applied to remedy this. Now, for more information about this and also how to deep clean the mats, click on the link in my bio to get to my complete YouTube video, and please like and follow for more hints and tips.